Hey guys, this week you're going to be learning about Italy. A few things to look out for on the slideshow is that there is a link here to learn a little bit more about the Pantheon. Your Google form is going to have questions about the different types of columns on the Pantheon or different types of columns that were used in architecture in Italy. And as you go down, notice that there are areas where it's Spanish as well as English for you to understand a little bit more. And then we are going to go on to different artists. And one that should be familiar to you is the art of Leonardo da Vinci, and this is the Mona Lisa. On the last slide, there is a video for you to watch that has a little bit more information on the Mona Lisa and some unknown information, I'm sure, for you. But if you have any questions, just send me a message on Google Classroom and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Good luck, guys.